Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the latest Baidu Maps or the international release is installed. This matters because older builds lack language options. Once installed, grant location and microphone permissions so navigation works. Open the app, then tap your profile icon or the main menu to reveal settings. Make sure you are on the map screen so changes reflect immediately. If you see Chinese-only labels, proceed directly to settings. Don't waste time switching other apps first. Once in settings, go to General and look for language. Tap Chinese letter, and select English if available. If the option is missing, change your phone's system language to English or install the Baidu Maps International APK. These methods force English UI and labels. Next, enable any transliteration or English POI name toggle so place names display in English. Make sure navigation voice is set to English inside voice settings. This gives you consistent spoken directions and readable map labels while driving or walking. Finish by restarting the app so language assets reload, then check several locations to confirm English labels and voice. If names remain Chinese, clear the app cache or reinstall the international version. As a quick fallback, open Map. Baidu. Com in a browser and use the browser's translate feature to get an English interface. If problems persist, verify location and storage permissions, ensure you installed the correct regional build, and then retry. This single restart or reinstall typically resolves lingering language issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.